Hey, it's Lauren. Thank you so much for joining me. I got my Sephora stuff in. I know the sale has long passed, but I'm gonna talk about the things I got. Some of these things I have tried, so I'll do like speed reviews, and then some of these things that I haven't tried yet, let me know if you want reviews, and then some of these things I filmed reviews and will indicate where those are. So yes, there we go. I did a little impulse shopping when I did buy from there, so I'm feeling some kind of way. Let's start with skincare items. This from Paula's Choice, the Omega Complex Cleansing Balm. I mentioned in my Sephora guide video how I really liked the other things from the Omega line that I've tried. I've used this twice now. Really lovely cleansing balm. My skin feels lovely after using this. Takes off makeup very well and leaves my skin very hydrated, feeling like this quite a bit. This was lovely. So happy about that purchase that I made. I bought several sunscreens. I picked up the Josie Maran Get Even Sun Milk. This is SPF 33. I did a TikTok first impressions of this, and this is really heavy. It's a physical sunscreen, and it is thick. It is a thick moisturizer. Like, I felt like what little skincare I had on was too much. I was super aware of my face afterwards, like tickly hair stickage. I just felt very oily and heavy all day. And I'd say my skin's kind of like combo at this point. There's areas that get dry, but I don't have oily skin. If you have super, super dry skin or live in a dry climate, this might work for you. I don't know. If you got this and like it, let me know. I saw so many rave reviews of it, but now in retrospect, I think most of those were PR reviews, situations. Very hydrating, heavy, too heavy for me. So don't feel great about that purchase. So I was curious about this new launch from Supergoop. This is the Every Single Face Watery Lotion. I really like the Unseen Sunscreen, so wanted to try more from Supergoop since I had such positive experience with that. So this is an SPF 50. So I'll be giving this a try. And then they also, at Sephora, had this mini kit of the Unseen Sunscreen, the Play, and the Glow Screen. So this seems like a really great deal and great for travel since I will be doing some things out in the world this coming time. And also, you know, going out and about to things, so I would want to lug a sunscreen with me even if I'm just going to like the park or the beach, and this is a nice little sizes. If y'all are interested in a Supergoop sunscreen comparison video, let me know. That's it for skincare. I did heed my own advice with the In Beauty Project skincare items, and I ordered from them directly. So if you want to see like a haul of some other skincare items and bits and bobs that I picked up, let me know. If not, I'll just do that on, just not do that, or do that on other platforms. Makeup. Lots of beautiful makeup. I purchased a full size of the Saie Beauty Glowy Super Gel. Inverted the name there. I have a mini size that they offer of this that is almost done, so I was like, all right, I like it enough to commit the full size. So we are now in a long-term relationship. It's very pretty. That's all there is to say about that. Very pretty. And I also picked up the Rare Beauty Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. I did a first impressions of this on TikTok, and I just filmed a face of it. This and some of this makeup, so that video will be out soon. Different top. I felt like breaking up the video aesthetics. So different top and different flowers, even though I'm seeing now in the viewfinder, you can't see my very cute flowers that are up there. Jury's out on this one. My first impressions of it I really liked, and then second and third impressions, So now I'm doing the final impressions and we will find out. I grabbed a few eye products. Don't know why that came out weird. I got the Perfect Strokes eyeliner from Rare Beauty. I have used this a couple times and not a bad liquid liner. She's got quite a thick wand, but it's not overly stiff. It's nice. I was able to make a nice little wing with it. So I only had the wing on for part of the day, so I don't know the longevity of this yet, but a really beautiful quill style. And then I got 3 eyeshadows. This I am wearing today. This is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadow, Cashmere Robe, and Penthouse Suite. This I really like. This was a random purchase. I wasn't intending to make. It was just very impulsively influenced by TikTok and got this. I'm wearing the matte shade all over my lid and then the sparkly shade as a liner. And it's a really lovely neutral thing that doesn't make my eyelids look too textured like this. It's an issue I'm running into. I know my eyelids are just getting more textured as I get older, and I'm due to go to the dermatologist because I have, since I was a little kid, have gotten skin tags, and the dermatologist will burn them off for me. I know, burning my eyes, and I'm due to get some of those done. So it's like extra textured, and then I have some like miliac dudes on my under eye. That's why I'm not a fan of slugging. But yes, this is quite pretty. Wearing that. And then I got 2 fun eyeshadows. I got one of the Hourglass Scattered Light eyeshadows. This is in the shade Vivid. I wanted another one of these and I thought this was such an interesting, dirty, kind of grungy green. I've worn it a couple times and I paired it with one of the blushes that I'll be showing. So maybe I'll do a get ready with me with this soon. Really happy to have this. Very pretty, unique, wearable bit of something. And then I got one of the Danessa Myricks Colorfix. Yeah, this is my first thing trying from Danessa Myricks. I've been curious about this brand for ages and finally picked something up. I got one of the foils. This is one of the newer colors. This is in the shade Jewelz, and it's really cool, kind of green lime chrome gold. Really reminds me of the Metamorphic highlighter from Ritual Defeat, the hmere that I really like, and that I would use on my eyes, and it's definitely getting older and I can feel that it's beginning to be not eye friendly anymore. Definitely something I should just be using as a highlighter, so I was like, I'm kind of like shopping for dupes of that because I like using that mainly as an eyeshadow. It's not marketed as an eyeshadow, even though they do market their products as being multi-use. It's a highlighter. So I was taking a gamble by putting it on my eyes, but their stuff expires really quickly, just like Kosas Products does, which is a bummer because, you know, luxury prices, but I still really like it. So anyways, this is definitely similar, way drier looking though than the hmere. So I'm gonna play with this some more, but it's so pretty. Very long wearing. And then I got a couple blushes. So I'm wearing today the Gen Nude Blonzer in Kiss of Pink. I love this. I think it's really pretty. I definitely want to try the other shades of this. There's like Kiss of Copper and Kiss of Rose, and I think Kiss of Rose would look nice. Not really bronzy. It's got a bit of sun to it, but still used a bronzer. But that's lovely. And then I did pick up one of the new Saie Beauty Dewy blushes. This is in the shade Spicy. I said I was gonna pick this up. Really liked pairing the Hourglass and this together. It's a really pretty look. Very autumnal, even though I bought these in spring and this is like a spring shade, but terracotta blush and like super bright pink blush are having a moment. Maybe even purple blush too, but those are like the trending shades. And she's really nice. And then lastly, I have to share is this. This is an impulse purchase. This was the Ilia multi-stick face palette. And it has 6 shades of their multi-sticks. I have the shade, I think it's Ladybird multi-stick that I really like. I bought this before there was reviews and I haven't touched it yet, but the reviews of it have been all over the place. Although the videos I've seen using it, it looks lovely. So, have you tried this? Do you own it? Is it any good? Should I not use it? Okay, that's everything I got from the Sephora sale. I did, you know what, I'll just toss these in here. I had a big mix up with the rose ink when I ordered from their website directly. There's a lot of issues on their end, so they gave me credits, and I used the credits to purchase things. I got a better shade of the concealer. This is in the lightest shade, and whoo! It is light, but it works, and it is very full coverage. But this is a type of concealer that is going to last me years, so many years. It feels like stage makeup, but blends out well. And then I got their Spring Lip Edit. They came out with these refillable lipsticks, and there's this little edit that I was like, all right, well, I've got the credit, might as well use it. And it has 1 permanent shade and then 2 limited edition shades. I'm wearing the permanent shade right now. It's in the shade Poetic. Really pretty spring color. And then the other shades, nice like rosy mauve looking shade. And this looks more like a deeper berry. I did get 2 points perks. I got the Rare Beauty mascara. This is really wet straight out of the tube, so maybe it's one of those things that gets better with age, or maybe it's just not a good mascara. And then I got this again. I got this in a Sephora order a little while ago, this little pharmacy duo. I was talking about getting the Filling Good, but I want to use up other things, and then I was like, well, I'll just use my points perks to use these again, to get that, and another one of the Honey Halo, which I'm already almost out of this guy that I have really been liking. So that's my Sephora haul. Yeah, that's it. Hope this was enjoyable, and I hope you all are well, and hopefully I'll see y'all soon in the next video. All right, have a good one. Bye.